Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am present before you with the solution of question for E and F parts. Before this we have done question for A, B, C and D with the help of this property of angle property of the circle, in which tangents from the external point, they are equal in length. Number 2, line joining O to P bisect at the angle at the center as well as angle at P. Both the angles at P are equal and bisected both angles are equal. So using these properties, now look at question for E part. Hope you will subscribe, like and share my video. Those who are new, please. Thank you. Now this is question for E part. There are tangents from external point. This is point P, this point is B, and this point is A. Join O to B and A. As well O to P. Okay, he has given this length I meters and angle is J degrees. This angle is J degrees. Achha ji. And the length OB is 5 meters and BP is 12 meters. So we want to find J, I, both angles. So if we know that this angle is the right angle, so in this right angle triangle, for angle J, we will write tan J is equals to 12 over 5. So J is equals to tan inverse 12 over 5. Using calculator here, shift tan 12 over 5. This is 67.38 degrees. So J degrees is equal to 67.38 degrees. Now, for the value of I, we will use here Pythagoras theorem, because from O to the point at the circumference is also the radius. So OB is the radius, so this is also the radius. So this is also the 5. So using here Pythagoras theorem, 5 plus I square is equals to 5 square plus 12 square, because this OP is the hypotenuse of the triangle OBP. So 5 plus I square is equals to 25 plus 144. 5 plus I whole square is equals to 169. Taking square root on both sides, 5 plus I is equals to plus minus 13. Square root of 169 is 13, and we know that these values are positive, so we will use positive 13. 5 plus I is equals to 13 and I is equals to 13 minus 5. I is equals to 8 centimeters. That's it. for the part E. Now for part F, I will like to erase this, but I will not erase the figure. I will make changes in the figure because the figure is exactly likely, so I will just erase the values. In this F part, he has given BP 15 centimeters. This is now 15 centimeters, and this is K. Centimeters, and this is L degrees, not J now, and this length is 7 now. Here first we will find the value of K, because we cannot find the value of L without the perpendicular or without the hypotenuse. You know that OB is the radius K, as well O to this point is also the radius K. Again apply here Pythagoras theorem. K plus 7 square is equals to K square plus 15 square. I will make it clear again. 15K 7, right. Now open this square, because for value of K we will find remove this bracket. K square, apply here the first identity, A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB 7 to the 14K plus B square, 7 square is 49, equals to K square plus 15 15s are 225. So this K square will be cancelled out with K square. (14K) equals to 225 minus 49. 14K is equals to 1596, 1147, 176. K is equals to 176 over 14. (225 minus 49 equals to 176 divided by 14. The answer is 12.57. K is equals to 12.57 centimeters. For the value of L, tan L degrees is equals to perpendicular over base 15 over 12.57. So L degrees is equals to tan inverse 15 over 12.57. Use here calculator. 15 divided by 12.57. So this is 50 degrees. L degree is equals to 50 degrees. That's it for your F part of question 4. Okay students, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. दुआ में याद रखें.